cumin, egg, winter melon, casserole or cumin, egg, winter melon bowl, or Jerra, anda, Petha, Kaddu, Masala. One of the tastiest dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the egg recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the cumin seed recipes and one of the most delicious of the gourd curry recipes and one of the most delicious of the winter melon casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the casserole recipes. We're going to make cumin, egg, winter melon casserole. We've taken around 100 grams of winter melon, peeled and cut into pieces, 2 boiled eggs, 15 to 20 shallots, 15 grams of garlic, 15 grams of ginger, 2 spoons of cumin seeds, and around 2 tomatoes cut into pieces. Heat the pan and put in 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Saute. Saute. Garlic sauce mix. Put in the garlic piece. Sauce the garlic piece. put in the ginger, put in salt taste, salt, salt thoroughly, keep on salting. Thoroughly salt mix. Now put in the cumin seeds, salt, thoroughly, put in the quarter spoon of turmeric powder, salt, put in 1 spoon of chili powder, salt thoroughly, put in salt to taste, put in the tomato piece, winter melon piece and the tomato piece, salt, salt thoroughly, keep on salting. Salt thoroughly for whitening meats. Put in the egg, salt, and let the mixture cook for 5 to 10 more minutes. Let the egg mix thoroughly with the vegetable mixture and let it cook. Now put in some curry leaves, salt, and let the mixture cook for a minute. Salt thoroughly. Now the cumin egg winter melon casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final cumin egg winter melon casserole or cumin egg winter melon bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the egg recipes and one of the most unique of the winter melon recipes and one of the most delicious of the gourd curry recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the cumin recipes and one of the most delicious of the cumin seed recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.